The TISHLED Wireless Typewriter Keyboard blends a nostalgic typewriter look with matcha green round keycaps that feel playful yet still suitable for a work desk. Its tri-mode connectivity lets you switch smoothly between wireless radio frequency, dual Bluetooth connections, and a wired USB Type-C link, making it handy for juggling multiple devices. Although it uses a membrane design, the keys deliver a linear, mechanical-like feel with moderate resistance that works well for both long writing sessions and casual gaming. The built-in rechargeable battery, combined with aggressive sleep settings, stretches usage over many days before you need to plug it in again. A compact 85-key layout and adjustable feet help free up desk space while keeping typing angles comfortable for wrists. Lightweight construction and broad compatibility with computers, tablets, and phones make it an easy keyboard to toss in a bag and use almost anywhere.